TikTok Creativity Program for Beginners in 2024. In 2024, TikTok continues to revolutionize the way individuals engage with content, offering boundless opportunities for creative expression. The launch of the TikTok Creativity Program has sparked a newfound enthusiasm among beginners looking to explore their artistic inclinations within the platform's dynamic ecosystem. This program serves as a gateway for novices, offering tailored guidance and resources to hone their craft. Through a series of interactive modules, participants delve into the intricacies of content creation, from mastering editing techniques to understanding audience engagement strategies. One of the program's key highlights is its emphasis on niche exploration. Beginners are encouraged to uncover their unique creative niches, whether it's comedy sketches, DIY tutorials, or cooking demos. By tapping into their passions and interests, participants cultivate authentic content that resonates with audiences. Moreover, the TikTok Creativity Program fosters a supportive community where beginners can connect, collaborate, and exchange ideas. Through mentorship initiatives and peer feedback sessions, participants receive constructive guidance to elevate their content creation skills. As TikTok continues to evolve, the Creativity Program stands as a beacon of empowerment, democratizing creativity and fostering a new generation of digital storytellers poised to make their mark on the platform.